In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage OKR in Basecamp. To manage OKRs smoothly in Basecamp, the goal is to keep everything in one dedicated place so your team always knows where to find objectives, key results, and updates. Start by opening Basecamp and going into the project you use as your OKR hub. This can be a company-wide project or a department project, but the most important thing is that it is consistent and easy for everyone to access. Once you are inside the project, go to the Docs and Files area. This is where you will define your objectives in a clear, permanent document that everyone can refer back to. In Docs and Files, select New, then choose Start a New Doc. Give the document a simple, recognizable title, such as the OKR period or the team name, and then write out your objectives and key results in a clean structure. A common approach is to list 1 to 3 main objectives, and under each objective, include 3 to 5 measurable key results. Keep key results numerical when possible, because numbers make progress easier to track and easier to discuss. When you are done writing the OKR doc, select Post this doc to publish it. Posting it makes it visible to the rest of the team and turns it into a shared source of truth. After it is posted, open the document to confirm it looks correct and is easy to read. Clarity matters here because this doc will guide weekly work and quarterly priorities. Next, return to the main project area and switch to To-Dos. This is where you will translate key results into trackable work. In To-Dos, select New List. Name the list to match what you are tracking, such as the quarter, the objective, or the group. Then type in the first items for that list, aligning each to a specific key result so progress can be seen through completed tasks. Save the list when you are finished so it becomes part of the project workflow. With your OKR doc posted and your to-do list created, you now have a central place for goals and a practical system for tracking execution inside Basecamp. That covers everything you need to know.